Hi everybody, it's Artist King here back with another video. I am really enjoying doing these pencil drawings. So today I am attempting to draw a lady with dreads that she has pretty much wrapped up to the top of her head, and some of them are falling to the side. So I'm going to attempt to do this drawing as best as I can. So, yeah. So I hope everybody 2022 is going well for you so far. I guess we're still stuck with COVID-19 and Omicron and all these different things that we're dealing with. So I hope everybody's being safe. I hope everybody's, doing what they have to do to not catch this virus, because it seems like this virus is not going away. The day I made this video, I tested positive for COVID. And anyone who knows me know that I am super careful. I go to work, I go home, I don't go to gatherings or anything like that. But somewhere I think we had a Christmas celebration at work for our residents, and somehow I think that's where I got it from. But my symptoms are extremely mild, because I'm talking to you guys sitting here making a video, so I think if it was really bad, I wouldn't be doing this right now. So by the time you see this, I would have recovered and gone back to work. So, but like I said, for me, it was not a bad time. I had extremely mild symptoms. And the only reason I really got tested was because I developed a cough, which lasted about a day and a half. But this morning I woke up and I just didn't feel like myself. So I thought I'd go get a test, and I tested positive. But I am doing fine right now, and I'll be home for a week. So I guess I'll be making videos, I don't know, reading a book or something. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you like the video, if you like the end result, and please stay till the end. Give it a thumbs up if you like how it turned out, and just keep coming back. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to continue to see more. I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. Leave a comment if you care to, and share the video with someone if you care to. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'm going to let you guys watch till the end, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, all right, well, bye now.